thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you are only here for yung math, language, logic lessons natin, this is not the video for you. Pero I'm making this kasi I guess a bunch of you do enjoy yung mga unboxing videos natin, especially sa toy-related na content, which is something I'm passionate about din. Kaya ngayon, we are opening a new mystery box / bag. This one naman is from Big Boy's Toy Store. That's what we're going to do today. Alright, like I said in the intro, this is a mystery box galing sa Big Boy's Toy Store. Actually, meron silang ganitong klaseng bag doon pa lang sa ToyCon 2019. But the thing is, hindi ko siya kinagat nung nandun ako sa ToyCon. Kasi, well, nagtitipid naman din tayo. At saka, nag-isip talaga ako if it's going to be worth my money. Kaya lang ang nangyari was, they opened a new store, bigger store sa Fisher Mall dito sa Quezon City. Nagkataon na may mga meetings ako on that day dapat. Tapos, basta nag-workout na nandun ako. So, I took it as a sign na maybe it's time for me to actually get this mystery box. Alright? Now, hindi ako masyadong magaling when it comes to picking out yung mga ganon. So, mas actually, parang sabihin natin, mas maswerte ako dun sa mga pinapadeliver ng mga mystery box. Kaya this one, hindi ko siya pinili myself. We had si Ate Lynn, who is one of their staff doon sa Big Boy's Toy Store, pick this out for me. So, thank you so much kay Ate Bon at kay Ate Lynn for helping me pick this box out and also for assisting us doon sa entire process ng buying ng mga Funko Pops and other things, which I'm going to show you din naman soon if you're interested. So, if you want me to give you a tour of my Funko Pop collection na nag-grow dito sa room ko na parang lumot, let me know by posting a comment sa baba na lang. Alright, so let's get right into it. This should, sabi nila, include 8 pops. Tapos, meron chance kasi for you to get yung Jollibee na metallic, which is actually very expensive ngayon. Here and abroad, collector's item talaga siya. So, hopefully, sabi nila, may kasi 1 in 5 chance daw na meron. Pero hindi naman ako talaga nag-expect. I'm just going to be excited about whatever I'm going to get in this box. So, hopefully, it'll be worth the money. 8 pops for 5,000 pesos is not that bad. Kasi usually, kahit yung mga regular na pops here in the Philippines, they go for around 600, 700 pesos per pop. So, yun pa lang okay na. Pero sana talaga, meron din ng mga pops na wala pa tayo at saka yung mga gusto natin makuha. So, it came in this bag din na malaki. So, pull out na natin yung box. Yan. At dahil wala tayong cutter, old school tayo gunting. So, ito na yung top ng box. Aray ko. Hindi ko muna sisilipin. Kita ba? Covered? Okay. Okay. Oh, in fairness. Ano to? Notorious B.I.G. Yan. So, si Biggie to. Actually, mas sought after yung version na may crown. Pero this one is also good. Yeah. So, if hindi nyo kilala yung mga classic na mga rappers niyo, yung mga the likes ni Tupac, Shakur, and stuff like that. He's one of those guys. Yeah. So, I don't have this yet. So, that's always a good thing. At least something new. And if, for example, I don't want to keep it in my collection, it's going to be up for trade naman. Or for sale. So, common tayo first. Notorious B.I.G. Let's hope for a better pull. Next. Okay. Alright. Okay na rin. This is Pumbaa from The Lion King. Pero hindi siya yung Lion King edition na yung bagong movie na lumabas. So, it's one of the earlier versions ng Disney na pop na Pumbaa. Yan. So, ano to? Luau Pumbaa. From Lion King, yung animated na cartoons. Yan. Meron siyang kagat-kagat na apple. So again, common naman. Pero okay lang. Medyo maganda naman yung condition ng box. At saka again, Disney naman yan. So, this Disney, you never really go out of style. So, move natin siya dyan. Yan. So, yun yung 2 so far. Again, no duplicates sa kung ano meron akong right now in my collection. So, good. Nakabahan ako dun sa Jollibee thingy eh. Baka mamaya wala eh. Saan? Wala talaga eh. Alright. Oh! Oh! Oh, I like this. This one I wanted to get. This one I really wanted to get. I already have Shank and si Knows More from Ralph Breaks the Internet, which is a great movie. This one is Yes. She's a little bit harder to find these days. And I have her now, so I didn't buy her up front, which is good. Yan, si Yes from Ralph Breaks the Internet. Ayan, ito talaga, gusto ko talaga, as in super. So, out of the 3 so far, this is one of my better choices. Kasi, gusto ko talaga si Yes. Kasi super cool yung character niya sa Ralph Breaks the Internet if hindi niyo pa yung napapanood. So, let's take another one. Again, wala silang protector, so. Why? I was worried na magkakaroon nito eh. Huwag niyo kang awayin yung mga BTS fans dyan ha. Pero we have Jimin from BTS. Yeah, I just don't want to have this mainly because hindi ako BTS fan. But if BTS fan kayo at gusto niyo si Jimin, siguro gawin natin giveaway if you want. Let me know sa comments sa baba. If enough people want na ipag-giveaway natin si Jimin, ipapag-giveaway ko siya in a video. Yeah, negative na lang. If we get 1,000 likes, reasonable naman yun. 1,000 likes in this video, ipapamigay ko si Jimin. Okay? Kasi I don't want to keep Jimin naman in my collection. I feel, now the reason is not because I hate BTS ha. I mean, of all the K-pop groups naman, medyo okay ako sa BTS. Ang problema ko is, hindi ko siya ma-appreciate as much as someone na fan talaga. So, I'd rather give him sa fan para ma-appreciate siya kaysa i-keep ko siya sa akin, tapos hindi ko naman siya masyadong ma-appreciate. Yan. Okay? We have 4 more dapat. Wait, may nakakahon. So, yan. Ooh! This is actually good. Maybe for trade. Hindi ako kasi fan ng Dragon Ball Z. So, yun lang yung reason kung bakit. Masyado nang malaki rin yung line ng Dragon Ball Z sa Funko Pop ngayon. Pero, mamaya ako nakatatagalin yung price, no? Pero, this is Gohan. Naka-training outfit siya. Yan. From Dragon Ball. Again, good if nanonood ako. Hindi kasi ako nanonood talaga ng Dragon Ball nung bata ako eh. Mainly because, para siyang telenovela na cartoon. Yun yung thing ko sa kanya. So, hindi ko siya masyadong na-enjoy. But I know a lot of people who love Dragon Ball Z who would appreciate it better then. So, maybe I'll just have this up for trade or sale. This is Gohan from Dragon Ball. Medyo onting crease lang yung sa box. So, that'll be something to consider. And lagyan mo natin siya dito sa taas. Alright. We have 2 more. Isang naka-box. Ay, hindi pala naka-box. Hindi naman. Feeling ko lang naka-box siya. Ooh! This is actually good. Okay. This is Thanos. Yan. Ano siya? Collector's edition. Well, international na sticker naman yan. Infinity War na chrome na Thanos na figure. Marami kasing Thanos na lumabas, actually, na iba-ibang color. So, hindi na rin siya sobrang pricey if you think of it that way. Kasi, ewan ko ba, na-engross ang Funko Pop recently sa pagko-chrome ng lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. Pero siya yung una kong chrome na pop. And gold, so which is good. Actually, I was thinking of doing that eh. Lahat ng mga Avengers na fallen, ibig sabihin yung mga namatay, yung mga chrome na version nila, like Black Widow, si Gamora. Inisip ko kung magsastart ako ng collection ng mga parang dead or retired na mga Avengers. Captain America, si Iron Man, in chrome na gold. So maybe that's a sign. We'll see. So yan. You have him right there. 2 more to go pala kasi 8 pops to. So, have 1 more here. Okay. Ooh! Dragon Ball, Zamasu na glow in the dark. In fairness, special edition siya glow in the dark. Yeah, well, again, not too big on Dragon Ball Z, but I do appreciate na mga Funko Pops with stickers on them, especially the ones who are glow in the dark, are quite special. So this one, I think will go for some money naman din if I sell this or if I put it up for trade. So we have Zamasu na glow in the dark right here. Yan. I actually have an inkling sa mga people interesado dito. So again, we have that right there. And we have a box. So far, i-rundown muna natin. Ito yung naka-box eh. Dito ako natatakot eh. Kung ano to. Hindi ko muna bubuksan kasi yaman din lamang na naka-box siya. Siguro probably kasi special siya, di ba? Alamin natin mamaya. Probably ito yung Jollibee. So kung ito ay tipong Jollibee lang na common, okay lang din sa akin. Kung Jollibee siya na barong, meron ako nun, pero okay lang din sa akin. Maganda naman yung trending na value pa rin nun. Kung Jollibee na metallic to, I will be floating on a cloud. Pero so far, happy na tayo dito. Again, favorite. So far, this one. Value-wise, we have yung Chrome na Thanos, kahit pa paano. Could go for some money kasi meron yung sticker. And then we have si Zamasu na merong glow in the dark at saka ito. So, I'm not sure pa sa Funko app kung sino pinakamahal sa kanila right now. But, again, dun pa lang medyo okay na tayo dun. Kasi value naman for your money for 5,000 pesos. I think, kahit dun sa selling price lang nila individually, dun sa stickers, mas mahal na siya. So, ito, buksan na natin. Nakakabahan ako. Bakit ganun? Pag ito common lang, sayang yung hype na, yung build-up. Pero hindi, okay lang. Kasama yan sa experience. Actually, part ng experience talaga ng mga mystery boxes tsaka mystery bags, yung gano'n, na hindi mo alam kung ano yung makukuha mo. So, ayoko muna. Kaya muna. Ooh, okay. So, apparently, we're going to start a collection ng Conan. This is K-pop Conan. Exclusive sa GameStop. Wala si Jollibee, no? Sayang. Pero okay lang. Happy pa rin ako doon. We have a bingo card here pala. Then, at saka meron din tayong card. Right here. Okay, so itong mga to, may thing sila for Big Boys Toy Store. Pag siguro nag-participate tayo or nag-claim tayo dito, I'll walk you through then if you're interested. But this one right here is Conan Without Borders, exclusive sa GameStop. Funny kasi yung aking hobby stock na box included si Conan na Armenian dancer. So pareho siya sa series, ito yon. Yan, now I have this na rin yung K-pop na Conan. Ang cute lang na, di ba, si Conan O'Brien naka K-pop na outfit. Yan. So, GameStop exclusive siya. And the thing with Conan Pops is, it may not cost a lot of money right now, but if you wait a good maybe 3 years or so, this can really go high up in value. So, I'll keep this in my collection naman so far. Alright? And just so you know, kung hindi kayo familiar with Conan, Conan O'Brien is one of the, if not actually the one na late show host with the highest IQ. As in, the man is really, really smart. Mensa level smart. So, let's keep him sa ating collection. Natense ako ng slight dun sa itsura, no? Kala ko Freddy Funko eh, kasi pula din yung buhok eh. Pero, okay na rin tayo dyan. So far, this is what we have. And, if you ask me again, kung is it worth the money, I'd say okay. Kasi with the perks and with the special pops na included yung, ito, si Zamasu na glow in the dark, si Thanos, at saka si Conan. Medyo buhay na tayo dyan. Tapos meron din sila ng card na to. This card right here, from what I know, blue to, di ba? Eh, white to, no? Ito ba yung kay Darna? Hindi. Blue. Ha? Plain yung kay Darna. So, ganitong klaseng card ng Big Boys, ano to eh, parang pass or access to yung mga upcoming na exclusive na mga pops nila. So, we have one for Darna na coming up. This is the blue one. Buti pala hindi namin kinuha yung blue kanina. So, hindi pa na-announce ko na yan. So, we're going to wait on that. Tapos, ito yung bingo card nila. Again, abangan natin kung anong mechanics about this. All of these, again, perks lang, pandagdag. And then, of course, this. Alright, so we're at the end of the video. Again, I'll just compute yung mga selling price nila ngayon sa mainstream ng Philippine na Funko Pop market. Yung sum ng lahat will be right there. And again, if you want me to give you guys this Jimin na pop, like this video, share nyo rin sa mga kasama nyo sa army dyan. And if we get to 1,000 na likes on this video, ipapamigay ko sa inyo si Jimin. Papaship ko siya sa inyo. Alright? Now, another thing about Funko Pops, again, this is not for everyone. So if you are buying just to sell them at a profit, you have to be very smart about it. And if you want to start collecting, make sure that you do not eat up your savings buying these. Kasi long-term investment siya. Ibig sabihin, kung kunyari, binili ko ngayon si Jimin kasi hot na hot ang BTS, honestly, tataas yung value niyan siguro if after a few years, or if maglalabas sila ng bagong edition, or if wag naman sana, dahil magagalit yung mga ARMY sa akin, mag-split up ang BTS, dun tataas yung value niyan. So, again, it'll take time. So, hindi siya yung tipong investment na kaya mong bawiin agad yung pera mo. Okay? Now, again, kudos sa Big Boy Toy Store. Congratulations sa bago ninyong store sa Fisher Mall. Mabait naman yung mga tao dun. Ang thing lang would be, I hope sana yung mga pre-orders from way back, if meron ng stocks, and tinext ako na merong stocks, sana meron siya doon. Kasi they actually texted me na nandun na yung Captain Marvel ko na pre-order, pero pagdating ko doon, kung ano yung pinunta ko doon, yun yung wala. So, hopefully next time maayos yung system na yun para sa aming mga nagpe-pre-order, para pag pumunta kami, ando na talaga yung hinihintay namin. At hindi kami natatakot na baka maubusan kami. Kasi diba, paid na siya tapos hindi namin siya nakuha. So, yun lang yung thing. And yeah, will I be back? Definitely. I'll be back for yung Darna, for whatever this card does and whatever this card does. So, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more, don't worry. Marami tayong mga math language logic classes sa paparating. This is just a little something na personal. And don't forget to like this if you do. You can also subscribe and hit the bell icon para wala kayong ma-miss. And if you want me to make more personal stuff, toy unboxing, kung ano gusto nyo ng room tour, gusto nyo ng toy na walkthrough, let me know. And I'll try to make that for you. Lalo na pag off-season ng review. Alright? Thanks guys. As we always say, this is Team Never Stop Learning. As Jaja, kaya niya. I'll see you in the next video. And bye for now.